In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a graph in Tableau. We'll explore some essential steps to get you up and running with your data visualization journey in just about 5 minutes. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First, we're going to need to open up our preferred internet browser. Go ahead and search for Tableau. Tableau's website is where we'll either log into your existing account, or, if you're new to Tableau, you'll want to sign up and create a new account. This will be essential as it offers the platform where all the magic happens, where you'll create and manipulate your data visualizations. Once you've logged in, you'll have the option to click on an existing workbook if you've already been working on one. However, if you're starting fresh, you'll want to create a new workbook. This will act as your canvas where you'll paint your data masterpiece. Now, let's navigate to a new worksheet within Tableau. This is where we'll begin the process of creating our graph or chart. Think of your worksheet as the foundational step to structuring your visual representation of data. With a clean worksheet in front of you, you'll need to drag your dimension fields, which is essentially your categorical data such as country, region, or date, to either the rows or columns shelf. These fields will define the categories or time periods you want to visualize. It's like laying the groundwork, organizing what your data story will tell. As soon as you have some fields selected, check out the Show Me panel. It's located at the top right of your Tableau interface. This panel is incredibly useful, as it offers chart type suggestions based on the data selections you've made. It's a bit like having a mini data consultant right there with you, helping you decide whether a bar chart, a line graph, or maybe a scatter plot would best represent your data. Choose whichever chart resonates with what you're aiming to showcase. Once your chart type is selected, you might want to customize it further. That's where the Marks card comes in handy. Here, you can add more fields to help your data stand out. Maybe you'll want to adjust the color for better visual appeal, or modify the size for emphasis. You can even add details or tooltips for additional insights when hovering over parts of your graph. And there you have it. In a few simple steps, you've added a graph to your Tableau worksheet. These steps form the foundation of making data insightful, interactive, and visually appealing. Keep experimenting with different data sets and visualization types, and soon you'll be crafting complex and stunning graphs like a pro. Happy visualizing!